Are you ready to take your gaming experience to a whole new level?
Yes, yes.
The LG C2 Oled TV is quickly becoming the preferred choice for serious gamers due to its performance and response times. With picture clarity that surpasses most TVs on the market, check out this in-depth review to see if the LG C2 lives up to the hype. Design. The LG C2 OLED is a great choice for those who want a slim and lightweight TV that is both stylish and durable. Thanks to its wall-mountable design and included stand, the C2 can easily fit in any space, giving you the option to choose the best setup. While the LG C2 OLED panel may be slightly reflective in dark scenes, it still provides a crisp, vivid display which can be enjoyed with a direct line of sight to the screen.
Wow.
That's great.
All TV connections are conveniently located on the back and include 4 HDMI 2.1 inputs with 4K/120Hz compatibility and enhanced gaming support. Furthermore, with its VRR technologies, such as G-Sync and FreeSync, users can take advantage of a smooth, detailed gaming experience. The LG C2 OLED is an ideal TV for anyone looking for an outstanding viewing experience. When coupled with the other gaming-focused specifications, this is shaping up to be a compelling choice. Learn more on gaming with LG C2 OLED in the coming moments. Display. The LG C2 OLED is a stunning piece of technology, with a beautiful OLED display that stands out with some of the best brightness and contrast seen of its kind.
Best of the best.
LG's OLED Evo technology, first seen in 2021's G1 OLED model, is incorporated here with its newfound lighting element in the self-emissive pixels, making obvious improvements in comparison to its predecessor, the C1 OLED. The glass screen of the C2 OLED might create some standard glare, which reduces the deep black depths slightly, but it's still a minor issue.
You don't say.
Color saturation is also almost at full capacity, with the addition of the Evo panel nearly hitting the 100% mark of the DCI-P3 color gamut. Though not completely reaching the same levels as with blue OLEDs and quantum dot filters, this is still an upgrade from the C1 model. The LG C2 OLED proves to be quite a unique product for its display and definitely stands as one of the best OLEDs available on the market. If you'd like to stay up to date on the latest in LG products and technology, hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to get instant notifications for new videos as we explore the wonderful world of LG together. Gaming. The LG C2 TV is an excellent option for gamers seeking a top-notch gaming experience. The 4 HDMI 2.1 connectors support 4K at 120 Hz and variable refresh rate, ensuring that gamers get a smooth, lag-free gaming experience.
It's the best experience you've ever had.
Gamers will be delighted to know that upon recognizing a game console, the TV activates ALLM and enters into low-latency game mode, allowing gamers to enjoy input at as low as 5 milliseconds. Further enhancing the user gaming experience is the settings button present in the center of the display. It provides the user with easy access to the most important options and data with respect to their game. This includes the genre settings, dark room option for better HDR gaming experience in darker rooms or during the night, and even aspect ratio settings like 21:9 and 32:9. Additionally, the LG C2 TV offers viewers a wide range of smart features that make gaming even better and more enjoyable, thanks to its WebOS Smart TV platform. Learn more on the LG C2's smart features in the coming minutes. Gaming enthusiasts can also enjoy Dolby Vision and Atmos compatibility, as well as other specialized gaming features like NVIDIA G-Sync and AMD FreeSync. Gaming is a stress reliever, and according to Elon Musk, gaming made him the Elon we all admire today. He has said, "I like video games. That's what got me into software engineering when I was a kid. I wanted to make money so I could buy a better computer to play better video games. Nothing like saving the world." Smart features. The LG C2 TV offers viewers a wide range of smart features that make viewing even easier and more enjoyable, thanks to its WebOS Smart TV platform. With the WebOS platform, users can access the amazing widgets on the home screen. These widgets keep viewers informed with the time, date, and weather, as well as offer a trending section of TV shows and movies. At the bottom of the screen, viewers can find extended versions of LG's own programs, such as a web browser that will direct you to some of LG's favorite websites. Furthermore, the bottom of the webpage includes a summary of devices that are connected to the LG C2 TV, along with a selection of some of the most popular streaming services. LG's sports alerts, media player apps, and streaming services like Netflix, Disney+, Apple TV, Prime Video, and HBO Max make it much easier to find what you're looking for without launching each app separately. The LG C2 TV is truly a great choice for those looking for a smart TV with great features.
Oh, that's the one.
The LG C2 OLED is a superb television because it shows off the best qualities of OLED screens, like their high contrast and excellent brightness, to great effect. Bright colors, an all-encompassing smart TV platform, and a sleek design that will complement any decor. The C2 OLED screen highlights the best of OLED technology, providing great contrast levels, intense brightness, and rich colors. And it does so while maintaining a razor-thin profile and ultra-narrow bezels. From standard definition shows to Dolby Vision blockbusters, it is one of the greatest TVs now on the market. However, watch our next video on why you should upgrade your LG C2 for the new LG C3. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I can't wait to see you at our next.